IGB is a company importer of motorcycle parts, tires, and accessories for motorcyclists. Over the past 25 years, we have consistently been recognized for our commitment to quality. Our slogan is, "They choose us for our quality." About a decade ago, the company focused all its efforts toward establishing its own brands, ensuring the integrity of its slogan, always starting from the quality of the product. We have brands such as Revo and Timsun that are well positioned in the market. Modula was a request that initially came from our company's board of directors. One of the board members already knew Modula. He presented it to us, and we found Modula's solutions to be very interesting. They could help us reduce the time required for the company's setup process, and that's when everything started to fall into place. We acquired the first Modula 3 years ago and the second one 2 years ago.
The flow starts when the order arrives at the WMS of the distribution center. The WMS then assigns the order to the Modula unit. Once the order is assigned to the Modula, the process starts semi-automatically and through the use of a put-to-light system. The orders are confirmed until they are completed. The two Modulas in an area of 24 square meters allowed us to expand the distribution center's area by 600 square meters, which is equivalent to 1,800 pick locations. Modula allowed us to save nearly 90% of time in the onboarding, training, and coaching process. It also allowed us to improve the speed of order fulfillment by 35% for each order. The two Modulas are now operated only by one person.
Modula helps me in my work in the process of picking efficiency, eliminating the need for me to move around the area, searching for reference one by one. Modula consolidates multiple references in one location, allowing me to pick up to 45 orders simultaneously.